Hey, this is Rick from Social Good Software, and in this short guide, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can delete your account. So let's go ahead and get started. So before we jump into it here and delete the account, you need to have access to administrator of account. Now, the administrator of account doesn't necessarily have to be the account that created the account itself, but we recommend you that you log in with your administrator of account. So go ahead and find your credentials and be able to log in with your administrator account, and that's what I have here. So I'm going to go ahead and log in, and you should do the same as well if you want to delete your account. So once you have done that, you want to head over to settings here, and then you want to click on the account tab, and then here you're going to go ahead and click on that delete account button. Now, before you go ahead and click on the delete account button, I'm going to recommend you that you go and cancel your subscription first. If you haven't done so already, it's really important that you go ahead and cancel your billing so the billing stops. We will attempt to cancel the billing for you when you click the delete account button, but it's not 100% guarantee. So if you want a 100% guarantee to be certain that the billing stops, make sure you go to billing and click on cancel subscription to be able to cancel the billing there. Once you have done that, then you should be good to go on deleting your account. A couple of other notes here before you delete your account. All your data will be permanently deleted, so we will not recover nor restore any of your data, so please be certain you click before you click on the button below. So when we mean that your data will be permanently deleted, we mean it. So this includes your email address, your name, your last name, organization, any data that you might have pulled in from AllTrue, everything gets wiped out. So you have to be very certain before you click on this button that you have made appropriate backups of whatever data that you want to back up, that you have notified any websites if you built a calendar, if you have any apps logged in, if you have any team members logged in. You just want to let everybody know that you're deleting the account, so on their devices they're going to get logged out, and you want to make sure that once you delete the account that you let these individuals know that this is going to happen. Just so they won't experience a bad experience like not being able to log in or getting error messages or things like this. So be absolutely 100% certain before you click on that button to delete the account that you notify your team members, that you notify any websites that you might have embedded this code into, that you update your AllTrue instance, you delete any accounts that you have created for the application. We just want to be safe and secure that you do this properly. So make sure you notify everybody that you need to. And then once you have done all of that and you have made backup of your data, then you're ready to click that button. So the delete account button is going to go ahead and delete your account. So this action cannot be undone. So if you go ahead and do it, there's no going back and undoing it. Once you click on that delete account, the account will get deleted. So please make sure you have backups. I know I keep repeating this. Make sure you have backups. We will immediately delete all your account from your data once you fill in the information below and click on the delete account button. If you have an active subscription, it will get canceled and no further billing will be set to your account. So make sure you cancel your subscription before you click on that delete account button just to be 100% sure. If you have any team members, make sure you let them know that their account is going to get deleted, and then the organization won't no longer exist on our side. So make sure that you let your team members know. And then once again, this is a hard delete. There is no going back. So if you're not sure if you need to do this, or if you don't know if you should do this, make sure you reach out to us. We're happy to help with any questions you might have regarding the account itself. So once you've decided you can delete it, I'm going to go ahead and enter my email address here, and we're going to delete this account. All right, now I'm ready to go ahead and delete this account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on delete account, and that's going to go ahead and delete the account, and the account has now been deleted. So all of that entire account has now been deleted, and now if you try to log in, it's going to complain and let you know that your account no longer exists. See, invalid credentials. Your account no longer exists. So that's pretty much all there is to deleting your account. Once your account has been deleted, again, we wipe all the data, 100% certain that none of the data remains intact. And once that's done, pretty much you're good to go. And if you have any questions about any of this process, or if you run into any issues, make sure you reach out. We're always happy to help with any concerns or questions you might have. And I'll look forward to speaking to you soon.